Hey, what's happening, you all? Welcome to Life of Norman, and today I'm discussing 10 reasons, 5 for those who will buy the OnePlus 7 Pro in India and 5 for those who will not buy the OnePlus 7 Pro in India. So let's get to it. First are the crazy fans. The fans have already purchased the device probably, and if they haven't already, they surely are waiting for the 28th May because the Nebula Blue, the best color of OnePlus 7 Pro, is launching on the 28th May. Now these OnePlus fans from the community can buy the device at any price the company put up for them. I've seen a lot of people buying it at the Experience pop-up store in Delhi. OnePlus community is among the top communities in this tech industry, and surely people in this community will continue to indulge in the community by buying their latest flagships. Now second type of people are those who want to try the insane new specs, the gorgeous 90 Hz display and the new cameras. People like these probably are fed up of Samsung and iPhones and want to try new brands, and surely a flagship from that brand, so OnePlus comes to the rescue. Now these type of people surely don't care about the money because they are downgrading in terms of money, but surely are getting some insane specs as of May 2019. I've personally met some people at the Experience store who told me that they are buying the OnePlus 7 Pro because of the gorgeous display, pop-up selfie camera and the 90 Hz amazing display. Now some of them were buying this phone for the first time, the OnePlus phone for the first time, and were not even aware of the brand some months ago. The third type of people are those who don't really care about the money but more about the looks of their phone, how their phone look in their hands. No notch displays are a thing from 2019. Companies like Oppo and Vivo are doing those things, but specs like OnePlus weren't there in early 2019. Samsung, iPhone, Huawei, they all have big notches or bezels. 2019 shouldn't be a year of notches, but flagships like S10 has bezels, 10s Max has notch. So what's the solution? OnePlus 7 Pro. Another type of people who would buy the OnePlus phone are those who are mad lads for that cameras. Now going by the DxO mark, OnePlus has a rating of 111, which is way ahead of a lot of competition like 10s Max, S10 Plus and Mate 20 Pro. This means 7 Pro is only behind the mighty P30 Pro, but P30 Pro has a notch and even a way higher price tag of 71,000 to start from. So OnePlus 7 Pro is clearly a better value for money deal starting at 50,000. The last type of people in my opinion who would buy the phone are those who are sucker for that stock Android experience. Now these type of people clearly hate the Honors and Samsung's custom UI and surely don't like the Pixel 3 XL huge notch. Now these people were waiting for this phone to launch and surely would grab it because they like simplicity and fluid UI but only Android focused. Now everyone knows the OnePlus Oxygen OS is the best. It's nearest possible to the stock Android and it's very fluid. Now coming to the negative aspect of the phone and why people won't buy this OnePlus 7 Pro in India. The pop-up selfie camera is a great thing to make the display bezel-less, notchless, but it can be a nightmare too. It's a bulging out piece and it can be hazardous. The dust particles, water and all kinds of liquids can destroy this pop-up selfie camera, and you can imagine this technology can be damaged. People like these want such bulging cameras to go away because they think in 1-2 years they will be fixed by these companies for this pop-up selfie camera and can be replaced by a more reliable technology. The second type of people who won't buy the OnePlus 7 Pro are those who are doomed by the prices, the high prices set by the company. They were like, company will set maximum of 45k but OnePlus 7 Pro is starting at 49k. Now these type of people won't buy the 7 Pro and will go with an affordable option like Oppo or Vivo if they want a pop-up selfie camera. The third type of people who won't buy the 7 Pro are those who are waiting for the 7, which is launching in June with a price tag of 33k to start from. Now these type of people are also fans but are pissed by the high price tag of the company. And I totally get the strategy of the company. What they're trying to do is market and sell their product internationally, and internationally $650 in USA is not a big price tag to pay for the Americans as compared what's in India. Now coming to the fourth type of people who won't buy the phone are the people who are pissed by the 5 and 5T, 6 and 6C strategy and will wait for a 7T phone later this year. And of course, from the past 3 to 3T, 5 to 5T, 6 to 6T, there were minor and major improvements in the phone. But now we have to see that the display is notchless, bezel-less with a pop-up selfie camera. Now what they can do is with the cameras, what they can improve with the cameras, because display is perfect at this moment right now. Now this point can be silly, but fifth type of people who won't buy the OnePlus 7 Pro are those people with short hands. It's a huge display, 6.67 inches. Not everyone can use this display. People with short hands will have difficulty using this phone. So that's about it for this video, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you did, thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. I'm putting content every week, baby. Alright, signing out, guys. Peace out.